Well, now to the ongoing fight over abortion rights affecting millions of American women. North Carolina's Republican-controlled legislature successfully overrode Democratic Governor Roy Cooper's veto to ban most abortions after 12 weeks of pregnancy. More than half of the country, 26 states, have now passed some form of abortion restrictions or an outright ban since the Supreme Court's repeal of Roe v. Wade last summer. CBS's Caitlin Huey-Burns has reaction from North Carolina's capital of Raleigh.
The bill becomes law.
Republican lawmakers moved quickly Tuesday night, turning new abortion restrictions into law.
The majority of the people of North Carolina don't want right-wing politicians in the exam room with women and their doctors, and they are mad.
A party switch by State Representative Tricia Cotham last month gave Republicans a supermajority and the power to override the governor's veto. Cotham had campaigned as a Democrat, pledging to protect abortion rights.
I will not be controlled by anyone.
Under the new law, which goes into effect July 1st, most abortions will be banned after 12 weeks instead of 20, with exceptions for rape, incest, certain fatal fetal conditions, and the mother's life. The law also requires longer waiting periods and more in-person visits to obtain the procedure. Republicans say the legislation includes compromises.
If you look at some of the bills that are around the country, some that have been just really much more heated than this bill. They were bills that went further one way or further the other. This one really took kind of a middle-of-the-road approach.
But it will have an impact beyond North Carolina.
What does this mean for abortion care in this region?
It's dangerous. It's scary right now to be a pregnant person in the South.
Kelly Flynn runs an abortion clinic in Raleigh that has seen an influx of patients from out of state since last year.
We worry about women that are going to start to self-manage their care, which is going to be very dangerous. Hospitals could be inundated with a lot of tragic situations.
Now, there are only 2 states in the South with relatively unrestricted access to abortion, Virginia and South Carolina, where they're considering a 6-week ban. And this all comes as a federal appeals court today heard arguments on whether to restrict abortion medication nationwide. Norah?
Caitlin Huey-Burns, thank you.